Hey, book lovers, is your cozy reading nook looking a little dusty? Don't let grime settle on your favorite stories. Let's get those bookshelves looking beautiful and fresh in just a minute. The secret is to start from the top and work your way down. That way, dust falls onto the lower shelves, and you won't have to clean anything twice. Grab a soft cloth and begin by removing a small batch of books from the top shelf. Gently wipe the shelf clean, and then give each book a quick wipe down too. Pay special attention to the tops of the pages where dust loves to hide. Once a shelf is sparkling, neatly return your books. Repeat this process for each shelf below. Before you know it, you'll have a pristine, organized library that's as inviting as the worlds within your books. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more home hacks. Happy reading!